When I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, y'all know my hyper-focused interest lately is Gashapon. Gotta collect them all. Also, this is not Gashapon, you guys. I love these plushes from this company. It's called Shineda Global. I never know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I actually showed you guys in an Amazon Japan haul many months ago. I got a large frog like that. He's so squishy. We love him so much. And then I saw there were these teeny tiny little keychain versions. And I was like, oh my God, obviously gotta have this. Should I call these de-egging them? Unshelling them? Because they're like, you know, they're the eggs. Cracking them open. That makes sense. De-shelling the egg. First egg. Today we're having like a randomized mix. I got a huge shipment of a lot of Gashapon I ordered directly from Amazon Japan. So yeah, I can see what this one is. And these are always like super fascinating looking to me because I can see what it is. How about if I unbox it so that we can share with the class? Let's see. Oh, there we go. Okay, you guys, it's salt. It's various little salt shakers. I had no idea how large these would be, but they actually have salt inside. Look at all the different options that we could get. Yeah, so this just says table salt. And it's in a little blue. Look at this though, you guys. Isn't that like fascinating in some way? I just said this in another video. I love all of this kind of stuff that reminds me of like nostalgic things that you would get in like touristy shops. Like, you know the keychains, like if you go to a beach and they're like, it's real sand from Galveston Beach. It's kind of like giving that, but yeah, it's just like so fun. And it's honestly like kind of relaxing. Like I didn't really know that the salt would like have that much movement in there. But yeah, I feel like this could actually be like really helpful as like a visually calming thing. And it's so tiny. And it also like, okay, you guys have to hear. Isn't that nice? Yeah, so that one is cute. This one, it could be anything. I don't remember all the sets that I ordered. Sometimes it does take a little bit longer for your items to ship all the way from Japan. So yeah, there was like nothing anywhere about this that tells me what it is, but look at that. No tape or anything. Oh my God, look at these. This is so cute. I might try and like take its head off and turn it into a keychain. Is that maybe kind of scary? Look at this little doll. Look at that. So cute. Even comes with a comb, inexplicably, because it does have plastic hair. You guys, I need my, here they are. My funky scissors. This is honestly so cute. Look, the head turns. Hello. The arms move. Can it sit? No. But look, she can do that. So, so cute. And then here is the comb, which you have to use in quite an imaginative way. Wouldn't that be wild? Like, do the real sizes of these dolls? I know that this is like a real like type of doll because I see it come up a lot. I think on AliExpress as well. But yeah, they are, oh my God, are these by Pilot? Like the pin? Isn't that like wild? I thought that they just made like pins and writing utensils and stuff. But look at all of these we could have gotten. So cute. Mel, maybe they're called Mel dolls. Oh yeah, these are from the brand Canelephant, and I discovered them maybe about 2 years ago now. They make the tiny realistic miniature, tiny miniature is the same word. The stationary keychains that we've unboxed a couple times that are like real stationary supply type things. So yeah, I feel like I always have Canelephant, Gashapon on my wish list. But yeah, oh look, some of them can sit. I thought I saw that. I think her dress is just obviously preventing her from sitting. A green egg. I can't see what's in it though. Can you? Does that say SNS? Well, what does it mean? I think some of these are supposed to glow or have sound or light up rather. I feel like light up and glow are like two completely different things. All right, what's in the egg? You guys see first. Oh, wait, is it the Tumblr reblog symbol? Is there another? It's probably not just Tumblr. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's so many cute options. So this actually does have one of those little like pull tab things. So let's pull the tab and see, is it gonna make a sound or is it gonna light up? I don't know. Place your bets now. What do you think? Let's see. Oh my God. Okay, it's very faintly, you have to turn it on and off. Oh my gosh. That's kind of cool. I thought it would like just glow. Maybe I should leave it on. Maybe it will. I'm gonna see if it will just glow and then turn itself off, or if you do always have to remember to turn it off. Either way, it's like a green, I don't know, repost, reshare, reblog. It is staying on for a really long time. Oh my God. Okay. We have all of these options. I like the little heart. But I probably like the thumbs up the best, honestly. But this one is pretty cute as well. All right, you guys. Up next, another egg. Can you tell? It looks like another one that's moving around in there. I think I can open this one. There's only like tape on one side. I'm still untaping the tape though. Okay. Ooh, it is a popcorn one. I think there were a couple popcorn themed Gashapon. Oh my God, I really do love the little shaker ones. I think there was two popcorn shaker Gashapon that I really loved. So let's, ooh, this does not want to get out of there. It's like really wrapped up. Oh my God. So yeah, like the table salt, there are these super cute little pieces of popcorn in there. Look at that. Also, I can't tell. I'm gonna say because this keychain portion is like a baby pink, I'm gonna say that these lines on the popcorn thing are also pink, but I kind of can't tell if it's pink or if it's red. I think that there was a red one as well. I think the red one is the one that I was like trying to get. I don't know why, like popcorn buckets in my mind, they're just red, you know? But look at that. Look at the cute little pieces of popcorn. It almost looks like we have a variety of popcorn. Some caramel popcorn, some regular popcorn. Let me shake it so you guys can hear it. Okay, I feel like we're just getting the keychain noise. I want you guys to hear the popcorn. Very calming. All right, yeah, look, there is. Oh my gosh, yeah, this is just like ye old popcorn bucket to me. But look at all these other, I can't even imagine what flavor is like a green popcorn. I know that there are those ones that are like super colorful, like popcorn kernels, but I'm trying to think of what color like green popcorn would be. Maybe like green apple or something. All right, you guys, we've got this one in an orange egg. What's it gonna be? I don't know. I kind of like these that have the little like brackets like that. I don't know. What would we call that? A little like lock? Y'all, words, what are they today? What is that? I don't remember what this one is. Oh my God. It's little like spices. I feel like this really reminded me a lot of the mini brands. Okay, I was wondering, can you like crank the spice like that? I don't think it's like that kind of spice. That's like a pepper grinder. What was I thinking? But sometimes you can get spices that are bottled like that where you can like twist them and dispense the spices. You know what I mean? I need a sippy. Yeah, so, oh, okay, this is supposed to be coriander. I think that there's a bunch of different spices available, but my favorite thing about this was, and I didn't know if it like came with the eyeballs already printed on, but look at this. They give you a whole sticker sheet of eyeballs. I have to know if this brand is like that. S&B, spice, and herb. I'm not sure if this is just, you know what? I shouldn't even say this, you guys, because I feel like there's so many foods here in the States that I just like don't recognize the brand and I don't know that they exist here. But yeah, I can't remember ever seeing a spice bottle with like a nose looking thing on this. So I don't know if the company actually like puts little faces. Oh my God, you guys, look, there's like a different variety of eyeballs. Is it gonna focus? Probably not. Look at that. I didn't know. Oh my God, is this gonna make it look angry? I guess that's why they like give you a bunch of eyeballs so that if you like do a mistake and you don't want your coriander to look angry, you can like peel these eyes off and give it different eyes. Yeah, because look, this is an angry spice now. This is like a missing member of the Spice Girls, Anger Spice. But look at that. You guys, it's so cute. All right, you guys, on to the next egg. Some of them have all the tape, some of them don't. Ooh, it looks like it's another one with sound effects. Okay, I definitely got these because it reminded me of the Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas, like the megaphone. Oh my God, I even pulled out the color that I wanted. So yeah, I have no idea what sound this is gonna make, but I do see the little pull tab here, but it is on a keychain. Like, how fun is that? I honestly wish all the Gashapon were on keychains. We actually, yeah, like I wish this one, like I wish the doll was like a keychain. Let's get this little tab out. And where, oh. How long does this keep going on for? This is so funny. Some of them literally tell you what the song is underneath it. Oh, maybe it tells you right there. I don't know. The other ones have like composers and stuff listed. So there was quite apparently 4 of them in this set. This is from a Gashapon brand that I'm not sure we've ever tested before. Like a lot of them are like J-Dream or like Canelephant. This one is So Ta. And I'm not sure if we've ever had another one from them before. This is really cute. If you guys recognize that song, you have to tell me what song it's playing. It went on for like a surprisingly long amount of time, right? Like I literally thought that it was just gonna play like a voice or something or like a random sound effect. I didn't know we were about to get like a whole serenade. All right, you guys, this is the last one that I pulled for the day. And I think that this is a J-Dream set. And this is like, yes, okay. This looks like it's gonna be like kind of wild. I feel like this is a whole set of miniatures in one Gashapon. Why did I even hold this up like that? I basically just showed you guys nothing. But yeah, this almost reminds me of a remint set because you get so many pieces. So it's like a bath time thing. So we got the purple rubber ducky today. And I think every set comes with a rubber duck. And I think there's also like a basket in here. Oh my God, you guys, it's actually squishy. Y'all can't even see the duck. Anyway, I feel like each set comes with like some kind of basket for the bath or the shower and a different color duck, but oh my God. I really thought that the duck was gonna be hard plastic. I didn't know we were about to get like a squishy duck experience. So here is the rest of our items and oh my God, is this a keychain? Or are only certain parts of it a keychain? I honestly was not expecting these to be. I thought that these were gonna be more like mini brand-esque things that you just like put out and display. But oh my God. Okay, you guys, am I gonna be able to figure this out? So what this is, maybe now it would. Oh no, they don't show. They don't show you. Oh, okay. Am I gonna have to use Google Translate? I don't know. When I bought them on Amazon, they looked like they were gonna be already bundled up in that kind of like fruit net kind of packaging. This is like the only way that I can think to describe this. Oh, good. Okay, it is sealed on one end. So I think that's how it turns into a keychain. I wonder if you can open and close this over and over again, like once you've sealed it. It almost looks kind of like a permanent thing. I don't know. There's like the topper, and once you have the other items stuffed in there, then you like shut this keychain portion on the top of the net, like so. So this is the like bath bin that I was telling you guys about. Look at that. It looks like a nice wood crate kind of thing. Then we have, there's something in here. Oh my God. I think that this is a bar of soap. Look at that. See, doesn't this kind of give you like Rement vibes? And then you can open it and we'll see. Look at this little green. Oh, that's cute. They put like a green soap with a purple duck. The soap like has a feeling to it, you guys. It's not as squishy, rubbery as the duck, but it almost feels like a bar of soap. You know what I'm saying? Because it's like hard plastic, but still with like a kind of rubbery exterior. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna put the soap back in the box because I feel like it would be cuter to like put it in the net with the soap and the box displayed. And then this one, you guys, is kind of throwing me for a loop. I see that it's a towel, obviously, but I'm wondering, are you supposed to leave it packaged? Probably, surely not. I'm just gonna take it out and see. Oh my gosh, it is real fabric. See, you guys, I kind of wish some of the Rement sets were like this even, where you got the super realistic sets, but then the things that were supposed to be fabric are fabric. So let's see if I can figure this out. Oh my gosh, I kind of wish that there was like an in-color photo of what this was supposed to look like. We're not perfectionists here. Well, we kind of are, because I'm scared like once you seal it, like is it closed forever? I don't know, because I thought the only way to like get those open from the grocery store is to like cut the bag. Is there like a way to reuse these and like I just have been doing it wrong? Go ahead and show you guys. I've got the duck. Obviously, I mean, if you carried it as a keychain, your stuff is gonna get like kind of jostled around anyway. So there we go. I'm trying to just make sure that the duck and the soap are like really visible. Okay, there they are. You guys, let me figure this out. After much shuffling of items, I kind of have it done. I don't know. I don't know that I would trust this as a keychain because look, like some of the netting kind of stuff is already like stretched out. Oh, look, it's coming. Okay, clearly I did not quite figure that out. I don't know. I love the option that there is a keychain. I definitely feel like this would be better though in an Ita bag or something where you can display keychains or collections, but you still like zip it up in a front zipper pocket or something. I would not just like leave that dangling on your keys because it will probably be a very sad day when you look down one day and you see all your ducks are gone. It's very, very cute. And now is as good a time as any. I feel like I'd have to like push something in here to get it to unclasp. I feel like you probably can open it and shut it. It's just like not as easy to do, but clearly I did not do a very good job. I feel like some of the netting is like a little bit uneven, so it's kind of hard to like catch it in there right and get it closed. Anyway, you guys, duck problems. So those are all the Gashapon that I randomly grabbed today. So I was trying to do it like a little bit different because the other day I did one that was like a set of all the same thing. Today we did randomized edition. So yeah, you guys are gonna have to let me know which Gashapon was your favorite that we saw today. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. And if you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below. Subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is gonna be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll be back. Bye!